Okay, so today we're going to be doing a writing and grammar activity. Right here we have 4 students. They each have a postcard. They had gone on a 2-day vacation. So what they're going to be doing is they're going to be writing out answers to a list of questions that we have right here. And they're going to answer these questions, and we're going to evaluate their grammar at the end. So the directions for you guys is that you're going, like I said, on a 2-day trip. Go ahead and write to your friend, give them a greeting, explain what you did on your trip, like the food that you ate or the people that you met. And there's a list of questions that are right there to answer. And I'm going to give you about 1.5 minutes. Is that an okay amount of time?
Sure.
Okay,
yeah.
Perfect. So we're going to start this right now. Go ahead.
There you go. See, okay.
Schoolhouse Rock, oh my gosh.
Okay, guys, you have about let me see, 30 seconds left.
What?
Are you serious?
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
A minute. You have 1 minute left.
Adjectives are often used to help us compare things, to say how thin, how fat, how short, how tall.
You guys are doing a great job.
Boys were small, kids smaller.
What number are you guys on? Give or take.
I'm on the last one.
You're on the last
5.
one? Okay.
I'm on 4.
I'm on 5.
Okay. Let's do about 20 seconds left. Go ahead and finish the one that you're on, and then just give a farewell, and then we'll call it that.
Describe him with adjectives.
Can I go ahead and stop the time now?
Speech like
Oh.
Okay.
all you have to do is tack on anything like ish or area. For example, this boy can grow up to be a huge man, but still have a boyish face. Boy is a noun, but the ending ish makes it an adjective. Boyish. That describes the huge man.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and stop. Perfect. Okay, get a good shot of that, because that looks awesome. Okay, so you each wrote your postcard to your friend, and we're actually gonna evaluate how we did. Okay, so not right now, but we're gonna look, and this is the lesson of today. Okay, we're gonna look at nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Okay, Andrew, could you read this first?
Noun, a word used to identify any class of people, places, or things.
Perfect. Okay. So what would you say could be a noun? Like if I were to give you an example, I guess maybe we had a I went to walk my dog. What do you think the noun would be in that sentence?
Dog.
Good job. Awesome. Okay. So who can read the next one for me? A verb. Is there
Okay.
any volunteers? Okay. Thank you.
So verb, a word to describe an action, state, or condition.
Good. Perfect. Okay, so when I use the sentence, I went to walk my dog, what can you identify the verb in that sentence?
Would be went or walk.
Yeah, that's perfect. Good job. Okay, so I didn't really use an adjective in this, but I went to walk my small dog. And what would the adjective then be? You can all shout it out. That's okay.
Small.
Yeah, good job. Awesome. Okay. Let's just do another example, okay? Can you think of anything off the top of your head, Brad, that could be a noun? Just give us an example and go ahead and write it on the board.
Okay.
He's down.
Canada. Okay, why did you say Canada?
Because I'm from Canada, so it's best place on earth.
Good, and it's a person, it's a place. Good job. Awesome.
you.
Good job, Brad. Okay, McEwen, can you give an example of a verb? Drove. Very good. Okay. So why did you say drove?
I couldn't think of a different example of a verb, so I just thought what I do with my car, and I drive my car.
You drive your car.
Yeah.
Okay. So drive, drove is even the past tense.
I drove my car.
Perfect. Okay, well that works. That works. Okay. Let's go ahead.
Adjective?
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay. Now what? Yeah, okay.
Orange. Okay. Now why did you say orange?
Orange.
Because you could. Are you talking about the fruit or are you talking about the color?
Talk about the color.
Awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. And it
Texas
could be
colors.
Texas. Okay. Good job. Okay, so you guys did a great job with the examples, and I think you have I guess you've got the concept of it. So what we have here is we have our postcards, okay? Now, we are going to pass our postcards to the right, so everybody pass their postcard to the right. And this is kind of cool because, you know, Andrew has the experience that Taryn had, and the same with McEwen and Brad. Okay, so you get to see what each other kind of wrote about where they went on their vacation. And what we're going to do is we're going to do some identification of these three grammatical principles. So nouns, verbs, or adjectives. Okay, so I'm going to give you each 30 seconds, okay? It doesn't matter if you finish or not. But go ahead and underline all the nouns that you see in the postcard, okay? So go ahead and start right now.
Underline them?
Yes.
Okay, and does I count? Or is that a pronoun?
We're going to say it's a pronoun, but good question. Give you about 10 more seconds.
This is hard.
Okay, go ahead and stop. Now, who would like to give an example of what they found? Yes.
Powwow.
Powwow. Powwow, that's okay.
Yes. Would you like a
Could you?
sentence?
Yes, please. If you could.
Okay.
Give us-
The first day we had a powwow.
That sounds good. Let's see what your card. Where did you go, McEwen?
I went to an Indian reservation.
Okay, so the first day you went to a powwow.
Yep.
Okay, good job. Good job. Perfect.
Throw a party.
Powwow.
Okay, so let's do this again, but with verbs. Okay, so let's try and underline. Maybe you could make another kind of an underline mark, like a squiggly mark, or circle it, and find adjectives. Okay.
Describes.
The adjectives or verbs?
We're gonna. Oh, you know what? Let's do adjectives and then we'll do verbs next. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Adjectives first, and then we'll go
Okay.
verbs. My mistake. We'll just switch that up.
Circle.
Okay, let's go ahead and stop. Okay, so Brad, can you give us an example using a sentence about of an adjective that was used?
Okay. So fun. The people here are really fun.
Okay, cool. And where did this person go? Who sent this postcard?
This postcard was from Josh, and he was in Montana hunting.
Good job, Josh. Let's see. Yep, he was in Montana. Very cool. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, we're gonna make it really quick. Okay, we're gonna do the last one with our verbs. So go ahead and do a squiggly mark. I'm just gonna give you a couple seconds. Okay. Perfect, okay. That's all we needed. So, Josh, can you go ahead and tell us the example that you found in your postcard?
I don't know if this is right. Making.
Making, okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Said he then tried making a pelt the second day.
Okay, and let's see what did you have? A pelt the second day. Okay, and who did this postcard?
That was me.
Okay, Taryn, and where were you?
I don't know.
Okay, well, there you go. He doesn't know, but he made a pelt. Made a pelt. Okay, well, you guys did a great job today. I'm very glad that you had the opportunity to learn about nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Thanks for participating. You did wonderful. Good job.
Thank you.